Top 3 Dash Cams for Motorcycles by Susan Best. Let's with a list. Number 1 Garmin Dash Cam. Compact, discreet dash cam with wide 140-degree field of view captures enhanced 1080p HD footage. Automatically records and saves video of incidents, requires 8 GB micro SD card, class 10 or faster, not included. Dash Cam Auto Sync enables you to control and play back footage from up to 4 cameras in the Garmin Drive app. Voice control, available for English, French, Italian, Spanish, German and Swedish, allows you to easily save a video or picture, start, stop audio recording or start, stop the travel apps. Video capture feature. Driver alerts include forward collision, lane departure warnings. Certain conditions may impair the warning function, and go alerts to enhance driver awareness. Red light camera and speed camera, not available in all areas. Location alerts can be updated as often as you like. Number 2 Halo Cam M1 Dash Cam. Professional motorcycle dash cam, without having to deal with batteries, plug, unplug, turning on, off, getting dizzy of the large swing of the video, or adding tons of weight on your helmet. Halo Cam has no relationship with Motow Wolf. Dual lenses motorcycle security camera, both front and rear 1080p Full HD resolution video and photo shooting, Sony IMX323 CMOS to get overall enhancement of imaging performance in dark light environment, and 155-degree wide angle to cover multiple lanes. Be an expert not only in daytime, enough light intake is the first step to ensure night imaging. Halo Cam Biker's camera is featured with f1.8 large aperture to capture 30% more light and provide you with super night vision. Number 3 Thinkware Sports M1 Dash Cam. Front and rear recording with Sony Starvis, record crystal clear, cinematic Full HD 1080p video of the front and rear views of your vehicle in both daytime and nighttime. Advanced Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS. Equipped with Advanced Electronic Image Stabilization, the M1 can reduce vibrations and minimize motion blurring, to ensure smooth and steady video recordings no matter what terrain you are riding in. Weatherproof IP66 rated, designed for durability and water resistance, the IP66 rated M1 can withstand and record in the harshest conditions. For more info on the products, visit the links in the video description below.